ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। कारकम् इत्युक्ते किम्? किं कारकम्? कारक शब्दस्य परिभाषा का?
क्रियान्वयी कारकम्।
क्रियान्वयी कारकम्। क्रिया संबंधी कारकम्। क्रियां निष्पादयति, क्रिया निर्वर्तयति इति कारकम्। कति कारकाणि?
षट्
कारकाणि षट्। तत्र कर्तृकारकम् इत्युक्ते किम्? स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता तत्प्रयोजकश्च। प्रयोजककर्ता, प्रयोजकः अपि प्रयोजकस्यापि कर्तृसंज्ञा अस्ति, कर्तृसंज्ञा। हेतुः इति प्रयोजककर्तुः नाम हेतुः। कर्मकारकं किम्? ईप्सिततमं कर्म। कर्तुः ईप्सिततमं कर्म। करणं साधकतमं कर्म। साधकतमं कर्म इति मुख्य सूत्रम्। कर्णम् इति पदस्य अनुवृत्तिः अस्ति, अन्येषु सूत्रेषु अनुवर्तते। भवतु सम्प्रदानम् इत्युक्ते किम्? कर्मणा यम् अभिप्रैति स सम्प्रदानम्। क्रियया अपि, कर्मणा अपि क्रियया अपि यम् अभिप्रैति स सम्प्रदानम्। अपाधानम् एकं सूत्रं, मुख्य सूत्रमस्ति। ध्रुवम् अपाये अपाधानम्। मित्रार्थानां भयहेतुः अपि अपादानम्। इति अन्यसूत्राणि अपि सन्ति। तत्र अपादानम् इति पदस्य अनुवृत्तिः अस्ति। तानि अपि अपादानकारकाणि एव। अन्ते किमस्ति? अधिकरणम्। आधारः अधिकरणम्। तत्र अस्माभिः दृष्टम् औपश्लेषिकः इति अधिकरणस्य अधिकरणे भेदाः। अधिकरणे त्रयः अधिकरणत्रयम् अथवा अधिकरणभेदाः सन्ति। औपश्लेषिकः तदपि अधिकरणं, व्यापकं तदपि अधिकरणं, विषयः अपि अधिकरणं, विषयाधिकरणं तदेव विषयसप्तमी इति अस्माभिः उक्तं। विषये यथा संहितायां विषये इकः स्थाने अचि परे यन् आदेशः संहितायाम् इति सप्तमी। कीदृशी सप्तमी? विषय सप्तमी। अस्माकम् अद्य वर्गः कुतः आरम्भणीयः? अभ्यासः। अत्र पश्यतु, द्विजन्त अनिजन्त धातोः अत्र कानिचित् वाक्यानि सन्ति किल, तेषां कर्मणि प्रयोगविषये किञ्चित् वक्तव्यम्। अग्रिमकक्षायां वदिष्यामि, किन्तु एकविषयमेव अद्य वदामि। पश्यतु, किञ्चित् उदाहरण सहितं वदामि। निजन्तधातूनां कर्मणि प्रयोगे अत्र पश्यतु, निजन्तधातूनाम् अस्माभिः दृष्टं सूत्रं 1452 किं वदति? गत्यर्थ, गति, बुद्धि, प्रत्ययावसानार्थ, शब्दकर्म, अकर्मणाम् अनिकर्ता यः नौ कर्ता भवति इति किल 1452। तत्र अनिकर्ता सः नौ। अन्यत् अनिकर्ता इत्युक्ते अन्यन्तवस्थायां यः कर्ता सः अन्यन्तवस्थायां कर्म भवति किल। उदाहरणं पश्यतु। अत्र पुत्रः विद्यालयं गच्छति। अस्मिन् वाक्ये धातुः अस्ति गम् धातुः, गत्यर्थः धातुः एव किल। पुत्रः विद्यालयं गच्छति। अस्मिन् वाक्ये कः कर्ता? किं कर्म? पुत्रः कर्ता, अन्यन्तकर्ता वक्तुं शक्नुमः किल। कीदृशः कर्ता? अनिकर्ता अथवा अनिकर्ता। कर्म विद्यालयं गच्छति। साधारणेन कर्मणि प्रयोगे अस्य वाक्यस्य रूपम् एतावत् भवति। गम्यते केन? पुत्रेण। अनभिहितकर्ता कर्तृकरणयोस्तृतीया इति सूत्रेण पुत्रेण तृतीया विभक्तिः। कर्म अभिहितत्वात् प्रथमा विभक्तिः। विद्यालयः गम्यते पुत्रेण। द्वितीयवाक्यं पश्यतु, ण्यन्तप्रयोगः। तत्र पिता पुत्रं विद्यालयं गमयति। अत्र गम् धातोः निजन्तरूपं गम् प्लस् निच्, गमि, गमे, गमय, गमयति किल। कः गमयति? कः कर्ता? पिता। कीदृशः कर्ता? प्रयोजककर्ता। हेतुः प्रयोजककर्ता। प्रयोजककर्तुः कर्ता अत्र अभिहितः वा अनभिहितः वा? क्रियापदेन अभिहितं वा अनभिहितं वा? कर्ता नकारेण क्रियापदेन
विहित
कर्तुः अभिहितं भवति किल अतः अतः कर्तुः का विभक्तिः भवति प्रथमा विभक्ति पिता गमयति अत्र 1452 गत्यर्थ सूत्रमस्ति लगति गति बुद्धि प्रत्यवसनार्थ शब्दकर्म कर्मकाणाम् अनिकर्ता सह नौ कर्म भवति अतः प्रयोज्यकर्ता पिता इति प्रयोजककर्ता प्रयोजक कर्तुः प्रथमा विभक्तिः प्रयोज्यकर्ता का विभक्तिः प्रयोजकर्तुः का विभक्तिः केन सूत्रेण 1452 किल तद्दृष्टं दृष्टं वा न दृष्टं वा टेबल मध्ये अस्ति पश्यतु देव कुत्र अस्ति अनिकर्ता सेवकः ग्रामं गच्छति स्वामी सेवकं ग्रामं गमयति तत्र दृष्टमेव किल तद्वत् अत्रापि प्रयोज्यकर्तुः येन सूत्रेण द्वितीया विभक्तिः पिता पुत्रं विद्यालयं तत् कर्म एव कर्म द्वितीया विभक्तिः एव अतः पिता पुत्रं विद्यालयं गमयति इदानीं पश्यतु अस्य वाक्यस्य कर्मनिरूपं कथं भवति गमयति गमि इति धातुः गमि धातोः कर्मनिरूपं गमि प्लस यक् प्लस ते गम्यते नेहे अनिटि सूत्रेण नेहे लोपः भवति गम्यते इति केन गम्यते इति पृच्छेत् उत्तरं किं पित्रा गम्यते अत्र प्रयोजककर्तुः न अभिहितं भवति अनभिहितत्वात् कर्तृकरणयोस्तृतीया इति सूत्रेण प्रयोजककर्तुः तृतीया विभक्तिः भवति प्रयोजककर्ता पुत्रः प्रयोज्यकर्ता पश्यतु प्रयोजककर्ता प्रयोज्यकर्ता भेदः जानाति वा प्रयोजककर्ता प्रयोज्यकर्ता प्रयोजककर्ता इत्युक्ते the one who causes to do preraka prayojaka the one who is made to do prayojya अत्र पिता प्रयोजककर्ता पुत्रः प्रयोज्यकर्ता कर्मणि प्रयोगे पित्रा गम्यते अस्मिन् वाक्ये यः अत्र प्रयोज्यकर्तुः क्रियापदेन अभिहितं भवति इत्युक्ते किं प्रयोज्यकर्तुः कर्म भवति कर्मकत्वात् कर्मणि प्रयोगे अभिहितत्वात् प्रथमा विभक्तिः भवति पुनः वदामि प्रयोज्यकर्तुः निजन्तकर्मणि प्रयोगे कर्मसंज्ञां प्राप्नोति कर्मकत्वात् कर्मणि प्रयोगे कर्म अभिहितत्वात् तस्य प्रथमा विभक्तिः भवति प्रयोज्यकर्तुः प्रथमा विभक्तिः भवति अतः पिता पुत्रः विद्यालयमेव अनभिहितत्वात् द्वितीया विभक्तिः पिता पुत्रः विद्यालयं गम्यते एव साधुवाक्यम् understand this is for gatyarthaka dhatu just giving only one example we have to see more on this pita putrah vidyalayam so prayogyakर्तुः कर्मसंज्ञा भवति is considered to be karma. Therefore, in Karmani Prayoga, what is Abhigita? What is Abhigita? Karma. Who is karma here? Which is karma here?
The.
Prayojya karta. Therefore, Prayojya karta will take Pratama Vibhakti. So, Pitra Putraha Vidyalayam Gamyate. Understand?
Yes.
Guruji, this looks like Dvikarma ka prayojyam also, right? Two karmas, putram vidyayam.
Yes, it is Nijanta Prayoge. It looks like Dvikarma. But this Dvikarma is something different. There we have the Vivaksha of expressing that in another Karaka. But here we don't have that choice. Like we saw, Gavaha Payaha Dogam Payaha Dogdi or Gam Payaha Dogdi. There we have choice of expressing that in another, that is from the cow evening. So we have the expression possibility of expressing that another karma in apadana karaka or any other karaka. But here we don't have that. Those dhatus which can naturally take two karma and one karma among them, which can be expressed in another karaka, but it is expressed in Dvitiya Vibhakti by the sutra Akatitam cha. Those dhatus are Dvikarmaka dhatus. But Gham dhatu, not Dvikarmaka dhatu. In Karmani Prayoga, it appears, of course, it takes to karma, but both are karma only, right? So in that sense, it is different from Dvikarmaka dhatu. It acts like Dvikarmaka dhatu, but you cannot put all this together. Understand? Along with Dvikarmaka dhatu, you cannot put this all the dhatu. All the dhatu, in that sense, in Karmani Nijanta Prayoga, it will be Dvikarmaka only. Then why should we have Dvikarmaka dhatus especially? So that's the reason. Okay. Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
So, similarly, next example you see. So the point here is, for this prayoga, this is important. So here, prayojaka kartuhu tritiya vibhakti kartru karniyo tritiya iti sutrena prayojya kartuhu pratama vibhakti bhavati. Tasyeva, that is the pradhana karma. Prayojya kartuhu pradhana karma bhavati karmani prayoge. You can remember this statement. Prayojya kartuhu pradhana karma bhavati. Pradhana karma katvat karmani prayoge karma abhigitatvat pratama vibhakti. Understand?
Yes.
So first you need to understand from prayojaka karta, prayojya karta. We will discuss more on this in some material I am preparing, and once it is over, once my health is all right, I will do it and then send you. But now time being, you can understand this. I will type like this. Prayojya kartuhu pradhana karma bhavati karma katvat karmani prayoge. Karmakatvat karmani prayoge abhigita karmanaha ka vibhakti pratama
Vibhakti.
vibhakti. That is why pratama vibhakti. Okay, now let's see the next sentence. Same thing. Lakshmanaha gramam gacchati. Anyanta prayoga. Karmani prayoge Lakshmanena gramaha gamyate. Nyanta prayoga. Ramaha gamayati. Tam Lakshmanam. Kutra gramam. Appears like Dvikarmaka. Yes, it is to karma only. So, how this gramam gamayati, grama iti, gramam तत्र ग्रामप्रातिपदिकस्य द्वितीया विभक्तिः कथं भवति केन by what rule grammar takes द्वितीया विद्यालयं take द्वितीया
Destination is
no कर्तुः ईप्सितमं कर्म Rama must enjoy karma sanya anabhigitatva dvitiya karmani dvitiya sutrena, right? Anabhigita karma, therefore dvitiya. Now question comes, what about Lakshmana? That is where this our sutram comes, 1:52. Anyantavastayam yaha karta, anyantavastayam saha karma bhavati. That's what sutra says, right?
Yeah.
Therefore Lakshmanam. This is by karmani, anabhigite karmani dvitiya. And anabhigite karmani dvitiya is, I think, 2, 3, 2. And this is 1:452, right? Now in Karmani Prayoga, what will happen? Gamyate Kena Ramena. Now, this is here only this rule will apply. This is not a rule. This is given in the form of a karika. I will send you the karika later. I will prepare material that is there. But not for Gatyarthaka Dhatu. I will tell what it is. So here the prayojaka karta karma bhavati. Karma katva pratma vibhakti. Karmani prayoge. So Lakshmanaha, Ramena Lakshmanaha gramam gamyate. This is for the Gatyarthaka Dhatu. Now, in that, because the sutra starts with Gati Buddhi, that's why Gati is the first one. But Gati not required to be mentioned first. Why? Because that Buddhi, please see, Buddhi. What is Buddhi? Buddhi means knowledge. And Kriya expressing knowledge. Jnanartha Dhatu, you have to consider like that. What is Pratyavasana Artha? Bhojanam ityartha. Eating. Bhakshana. Shabda karma. Karma which is a Shabda. Shabda. These three, then only these three alone you take. Buddhi, Pratyavasanartha, Shabda karma. Only for these three. As a karika. Karika I will, as I told, I will mention later. So this Buddhi, Pratyavasanartha, and Shabda karma. Okay, that karika I just sent you through WhatsApp. You can see that. Seeing the WhatsApp, one of you can read what it is. Sent through WhatsApp. Please see. Can one of you read that?
बुद्धि भक्षार्थयोः शब्दकर्मणां च निजेच्छया प्रयोज्यकर्मण्यन्येषां न्यन्तानां लादयो मताः.
This is a karika. What does it mean? Nijechaya means Nija Ichaya, one's own Icha. Bhaktuha Icha. Simple. Huh? Buddhi Bhakshartayoho Shabda Karmanam. For these three, Buddhi Bhaksharta, that is Buddhi Arthaka Dhatu, Jnanarthaka Dhatu, Bhaksharthaka Dhatu, then Shabda Karma for these three, as per the wish of the speaker. Prayojya karma can optionally be karma. Nyantanam, Ladayaha, Lada means Lakara. That is Ladayaha, the Lakara, which is Nyanta, Nijanta. Prayojya karma. Prayojya karma is Prayojya karma, karma bhavati vikalpena. That's why Nijechaya. As the that is Bhaktuhu Icha. Bhaktuhu Icha Anusaram Prayojya karma can be karma for only for these three, dhatus, three, not three dhatus, three buddhyartaka dhatunam, bhakshnartaka dhatunam, shabda karmak dhatunam, right? When nijanta dhatu is there in karmani prayoga, as the speaker desires, right? Among the two karma, one is pradhana karma, other one is gauna karma. Pradhana karma is that prayojya karta which takes karma, that is called pradhana karma. So any one of them can take karma sanya, and therefore any one of them can be made pratama vibhakti. It is as per the choice of the speaker. Understand what I'm saying? Again, I see the example. Here, in this sentence, Ramaha Lakshmanam Gramam Gamayati. How many karmas are here? Katik?
Two karmas are there.
Which
Lakshmanam
is
and Gramam.
pradhana karma.
Gramam is
No.
Huh?
Prayojya karma is pradhana karma. Prayojya. This is called prayojya karma.
in this.
Karta is put in karma karaka. Prayojya karma. Okay.
Okay.
Prayojya kartuhu pradhana karma bhavati. That's what I've written here.
Mhm.
So this is pradhana karma. This is gauna karma. The sentence. Okay. So now in karmani prayoga, by the ladayaha, that is by the kriya padam, any one of them can be expressed as karma. Only for those three dhatus, not this is gatyartaka dhatu, this is different. So either prayojya karma, prayojya kartuhu pradhana, that is pradhana karma can be karma, or gauna karma can be karma. Any one. That is your choice. Like, see the example. Buddhyartaka dhatu. Jnanartaka dhatu. Just simple sentence. First let us do. Manavakaha dharmam buddhyate. What is meaning of buddhyate? Buddhyate means learn. Buddha dhatu, to learn, right?
Yeah.
Fourth conjugation. That's why it's atmanipadi. Therefore buddhyate. Manavaka learns dharma. Karmani prayoge manavakena dharmam buddhyate. Same rupam. This is karmani. This is how the fourth conjugation is. Now, nijanta prayoga. Bodhayati. Kaha? Guru.
Guru.
Guru is prayojaka karta abhigitatvat pratama vibhakti. And here manavakam takes dvitiya vibhakti. By what sutra? 1452. Dharma is dvitiya vibhakti. By what sutra? Anabhigite karmani dvitiya. Right? Guruhu manavakam dharmam bodhayati. Now karmani prayoge, what happens? Bodhayati becomes bodhyate. Kena guruna. Anabhigita karta. Kartrakaranayost tritiya by that sutra. Guruna bodhyate. Now here we have two karmas. What karma is manavaka? Pradhana karma. Prayojya kartuho pradhana karma bhavati, and gauna karma is there, dharma. Among these two, for buddhyartaka dhatu, bhakshanartaka dhatu, shabda karmanam, your choice. Therefore, if I take manavaka to be the karma, therefore manavakaha bodhyate, dharmam only. Or if I want to take gauna karma as gauna karma as karma, then guruna dharmaha bodhyate manavakam. So here two possibilities are there. This is what the Karika says. Now read the Karika again, you will understand. Buddhi bhakshartayoho shabda karmanam cha nijaichaya. Nijaichaya means vaktu ichaya. Vaktu ichanusaram. Buddhyartaka dhatunam, bhakshartaka dhatunam, shabda karmanam, shabda karmaka dhatunam, right? Prayojya karma, nijaichaya prayojya karma. Prayojya karma is that pradhana karma. Prayojya karma, karma bhavati. Choice, that is by choice. Otherwise, karma is karma. That is another karma, which is gauna karma. What about the other dhatus? Like gatyartaka dhatu? No, there we don't have choice. That is why only one possibility. There what happens? Prayojya, that prayojya karma bhavati. That prayojya kartuka pradhana karma bhavati. Therefore, pratama vibhaktihi putraha dyalam gamyate. We don't have choice here. This is gatyarthaka dhatu. Whereas this is buddhyarthaka dhatu. Understand? So here we have two possibilities. This is by this karika. Now, another example, Bhakshanarthaka dhatu. Here also we have choice. Example, Shishuku Vodanam Bhunte eats. Shishura Vodanaha Bhujyate. Karmani Nyanta Prayoge Bhojayati Ka Mata Kam Shishum Kim or Kam Odanam. Mata Shishum Odanam Bhojayati. Now Karmani Prayoge Yanta Yanta Vijanta Dhatunam Karmani Rupam Bhojayati becomes Bhojyate. Kena Matra. Matra Tritiya by Kartakarna Tritiya. Now here Pradhana Karma is Shishuku Odanam Gona Karma. Nijechaya as per Vaktuhu
Vivaksha.
Icha of the speaker, yes. So Pradhana Karma can be Abhigita, could be Abhigita by the Ladayaha. Ladayaha Mataha by Ladayaha by the Kriya Padam. Pradhana Karma either could be Abhigitam or Gona Karma. If Pradhana Karma is Abhigitam, then it is Karma. So therefore, Abhigitatvat, Karmani Parehi, Karma Abhigitatvat, Pratama Vyaktiki, Shishuku. Other one, not Abhigita, or for Odanam Dvitiya. Or if you want to say Prayojya Karma, that is not Abhigita, Anabhigitatvat, Dvitiya, and Odana is Abhigitatvat, Pratama. This is what Nijechaya, Bhaktuhu Ichaya. Similarly, Shabda Karma. Balaha Gadyam Patati. Gadyam is the
Shabda.
text. Shabda Karma. Shabda is, it's a literary work, some text. Grantham Patati, Gadyam Patati, Nibandham Patati, anything. Vedam Patati, Valaha Gadyam Patati, Balena Gadyaha Patyate. Yanta Prayogaha, Adhyapakavalam Gadyam Patayati. So yes, Shabda Karma. Therefore, what happens? Karmani Prayoga Adhyapakena Patyate. If Bala, that is Pradhana Karma, is Abhigitam by the Kriya Padam, by the Ladi, Prataya, then Pratama Vaktiki, Adhyapakena Balaha Gadyam Patyate. Or if Gadya is Abhigita, then becomes Gadyaha Patyate, Adhyapakena Balam. Right? Same thing. Guruhu Chatram Vedam Patayati. Guruna Patyate. Either Chatraha Vedam or Vedaha Chatram. Vijechaya can be done. Then for Akarmaka Dhatu, only 5 examples are 5 done. We can do for many. All the examples in the Ashtadhyayi Pravesha we can do. Maybe next class we will do. I'll add more examples, some write-up also. Now see the Akarmaka Dhatu. Vruddhaha Upavishati. Upavishati Sakarmaka va Akarmaka. Sakarmakam va Akarmaka. Akarmaka. Vriddena Upavishyate.
Upavishati.
Now, Nijanta Upaveshayati. Kaha Tarunaha. Kam Vriddha. So, see, Akarmaka Dhatu, you have to note here, Akarmaka Dhatu should be purely Akarmaka Dhatu. Not Kartuha Avivakshaya Sakarmakasya Akarmakam. No, that will not work. Should be a Akarmaka Dhatu only. By nature, it should be Akarmaka Dhatu. Like As Dhatu, Sta Dhatu, Vish Dhatu, etc. Okay. Remember, see, here, Chatraha Vedam Patati. Suppose Vedam if I don't use, where is Karma? Kartuhu कर्तुः विवक्षा नास्ति अत्र कर्तुः कर्म अविवक्षायां then पट् धातु what happens अकर्म भवति suppose छात्रः पठति what will be कर्मणि प्रयोगः suppose vedam not there छात्रेण
पठ्यते
what प्रयोगः is it भावे प्रयोगः
भावे प्रयोग
because karma is not mentioned कर्तुः अविवक्षायां सकर्मक धातूनाम् अपि भावे सकर्मक धातूनाम् अपि सकर्मक धातूनाम् अपि कर्मणि भावे भवति कर्मणि भावे भवति means there is when the क्रियापदं भावे प्रयोगः सिद्ध्यति भावे प्रयोगः भवति even for us भावे प्रयोगः only for अकर्मक धातु but for sakarmaka dhatu also it is possible when karma is not mentioned. So again, can we take those dhatus also? No. Those dhatus we cannot take here. Only those dhatus which are purely akarmaka, those dhatus only should be considered. So therefore, upavishati is akarmaka dhatu. So tarunaha vruddham upaveshayati. Now karmani prayoge upaveshyate tarunena. Here only one karma is there is no two karma. So therefore, what is a question of choice? Therefore, prayojya karma, that is abhigitam, therefore vruddhaha upaveshyate. Right? Karma not there. This is akarmaka dhatu. Similarly, lakshmanaha shayate or lakshmanena shayyate karmani prayoge. Ramaha Lakshmanam Shayayati. Rama puts Lakshmana to sleep. Karmani Prayoge Ramena Shayate. Then Lakshmanam Prayojya Karma. That will take Prathama Bhakti. Ramena Lakshmanaha. Understand? This is Akarmaka Dhatu. Only in the case of Buddhyartaka, Bhakshanartaka, Shabda Karmaka, choice is there for ordering karma sanya to any one of them, either for prayoji karma or for gauna karma. Now, the same thing, you can try the exercise.
Kshamyatam excuse me, Ji.
Yes.
Does the meaning change between those two sentences?
Which two?
Now we saw the two, they take karma optionally, right?
How it will not change.
No change of meaning.
No change.
Okay.
Then they cannot be equal. Then we cannot be said it is of choice is there.
Okay.
Meaning will not change. Meaning is same. So now you can try this. Dhatus here. Nijanta dhatu. Pita putram vidyalam gamayati. Already I have done that. Guruhu chatram shlokatum avagamayati. Vata shishum odaram bhojayati. Adhyapaka balam gadyam patayati. Shabda karma. So you can try these 7 sentences the same way. Viruddham upaveshayati. Already I have done. Vata balikam chandram darshayati. Similarly, Adhyapika Ramaya Nrityam Karyati. This is interesting. Try. Here why we have 2? Because of what? R Kroho Anitarasya. Sutra is there, right? For Hrudatu and Kridatu optionally. That is, Anikarta in Nintavastayam, Karma Sanya will take optionally. If it doesn't take Karma Sanya, then what Sanya it will take? Kartra Karnayos Tritiya Bhakti. Right? It will take Tritiya Bhakti. If it is Tritiya Bhakti, then Karmani Prayoga, what will happen? Try. Tritiya only it will remain. Okay. Anyway, let's try. I also will include those examples. Now, from where we are doing exercise. Okay. I think number 5. Is my voice clear?
West.
Session.
Is internet any problem?
No.
No, Jay. No.
Like, okay. Now from fifth sentence, see, understand the Karaka very important. This is important. Understanding the Upanishad Vakyas, Shastra Vakya, very important. What Karaka that changes a Tatparya, give a wrong Karaka meaning to the word. That's why Karakam is important. Whatever we have learned, that is more than sufficient. It is exhaustive. Okay. Now, Chatraha dash gachati. That's why I understand the Upanishad, they have started telling now what Karaka, what Vibhakti, because you are familiar now. Otherwise, it would just be a piece of information. We will not understand anything. Now we can understand why it is, what Karaka is. Chatraha shala gachati. So, shala.
Shalam gachati.
So, why, what Karaka, why Ditya Vyakti? So, Gamana Kriya is done by the Karta to reach the Shala. Sanyoga Rupa, that is Palam. Ichati. Therefore, it goes. Therefore, Shala is Kartuhu. Let's take Karma Sanya. Ipsitatamam, most desired. Paninihi Ashtadhyayi Alikatu.
Ashtadhyayim alikat.
Here also same thing.
Here also same.
Ipsitatamam. Aneke Samskrita Patanti.
Sanskritam. Same.
So, Kartuhu Ipsitatamam. Keep saying that so that you remember the sutra. What sutra number?
1449.
49. Yashasvi. What is the Pradipadikam?
Yashaswin.
Yashasvin. We have one vin pratyaya is that. That is also in the sense of Tadasya si tasmin asti tasmin iti. That is Matu pratyaya. Like we have Buddhiman, Buddhimata, same way. Tapasvin is there. Yashasvin, Vini pratyaya. So Nakaranta. So when you decline like Karin Shabda, Yashasvi, Yashasvin Shabda, Yashasvi, Yashasvino, Yashasviti, Yashasvina, Vadhi, Tamastu. They are the Tejasvi there. Right? Yashasvi dash alasya duri karoti.
Lasyam, it is
Alasya
one
duri karoti.
by Yathayuktam cha anipsit.
Anipsita.
Huh?
Yathayuktam cha anipsitam.
Anipsitam. Yes, anipsitam. Karma is anipsitam. It's good. Tatayuktam anipsitam. Jignasahu dash vidya adhigachati. Vidyam. Jignasahu we know. What is the pratyaya there?
Sir, Ange, Adhi.
Huh?
Adhi is there, therefore Upan Vadhyang was that sutra it will take, no?
Which one?
Jignasuhu Vidyam Adhigachati. So because of Adhi Vasaka, 1448, Upan Vadhyang was Vasaha.
By the sutra?
It takes the karma sanya. Or it is also Karturipsitam karma.
If you see that sutra, what's the number 1448? Yeah. Adi Shing, that is only for Vastatu, right?
Vastatu is
1446. Did you say 46?
46.
Did you say 46 or 40?
It's
48?
48. I told
48.
48. Okay. What is 48 here? What's the number in our file?
Point 9.
Ninth point. Okay, so here it is. Upa. Okay, that is only for dhatu vassaha.
Was dhatu. Okay.
But gachati is, see, with this upasarga, the vasdhatu, which is sakarmaka, becomes sakarmaka. So therefore, that adhikaranam enjoys karma sanya. But here, adhigachati, gam dhatu is sakarmaka dhatu only. Adhigachati means understands. So this will not come under that, right?
Okay.
So it is only for vasdhatu. Adhivasati, Ramaha vanam adhivasati, or Ramaha vane vasati.
Okay.
When you say vasati, then the place of residence must be adhikarana, adharaha adhikarana. But adi, when you use it, can enjoy karma sanya. It becomes sakarmaka dhatu. Akarmaka converted into sakarmaka. Then vanam adhivasati. Okay, now here adhigachati. Okay, fine. What is jignasuhu? Sananta dhatu nam. Sananta dhatu converted to a kridanta. Right? Sananta dhatu converted to a kridanta.
Nyatumicha is jignasa.
Nyatumicha jignasa. Okay.
Nyatumichuhu, the one who.
Yeah. Ichuhu, what sutram is that? Referring to the kartas. Sanashamsa diksha uhu uprataya. From nyadatu, you get jignasa. Jignasa. Then after that, need to add the pratyaya u to convert the dhatu to a pratipadika. Then only you get jignasu, right? So how do you get it? See here. Jignasa. Nyatumicha jignasa from nyadatu sanantarupam jignasa. Then add the pratyaya u. Uhu. Sutra is sanam. You know, these are sanashamsa bhiksha uhu. And who is adadatuka pratyaya? Therefore, this atolopaha, by that I will go away. Therefore, you will have jignasu. Ukaranta shabda now. Right? Like dharma kshetre, kurukshetre, samaveta, yuyutsavaha. That is also yuyutsu. Yuyutsu referring to yodum ichuhu. Yuyuts. Yodum icha, yuyutsa. Yuyutsa. We know how it comes. Simple, this one. Right? Yuyu, then yuddha, then karicha. Add pratyaya u, convert a dhatu. This is a dhatu. Sanadentaha dhatu, new dhatu. Atideshika dhatu. Converting this into a pratipadikam by adding u. U is a pratyaya. So you get yutsu. Then we can decline like Guru Shabda. Yutsavaha. Same. Jignasu. Jignasavaha. So Jignasu. Kradanta. Derived from Sananta Dhatu. Atideshika Dhatu. Okay, next sentence. Yaha. Dash sarva janati. Saha. Sarvajyaha. One sentence it says. Yaha sarvam. Yaha sarvam janati. Saha sarvajyaha.
Karturipsitam.
Yes, karma. Same. Eteshu apadanadinam karma sanyayam akyani nikata yatha patikaha chatrat margam pruchati. Patikaha traveler. Pruchati. Margam pruchati. Chatrat. Pruch dhatu. Kidrishaha dhatuhu.
Vikarmaka.
Vikarmaka. You can see Mahita here. Chatrat. Chatrat is Margam, Chatrat is that. Okay. Which is Pradhana, which is Gauna.
Margam is Pradhana.
Margam Pradhana, Chatra is
Gauna.
Gauna.
Gauna. So therefore, Chatrat could be Chatram also. That's what by the sutra, Akatitam cha.
Akati.
If you don't want to express in that Karaka, then you can use Karma Kar. Can express through Karma Karaka. Karma Karakatvat Ditya Vibhakti.
Ditya vibhakti.
So Chatrat Margam Prichati. Prichati comes under the 12 dhatus.
Karmakata.
What will the Karmani Prayoga of this sentence? Tugyadehe, Gaunam will be Pratama. Pradhanam will be Dvitiya, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So therefore, the Karmani Prayoge Patikena Prichyate. Patikena Prichyate. Gauna Karma is Chatraha, that is Karma, will be what vibhakti?
Pratama vibhakti.
Gaunam Pratama, Pradhanam will be
Prayojyakarta will be pradhana karma.
sorry?
Prayojyakarta will be the pradhana karma.
Not here, there is no Prayojya.
Oh,
This is not causative,
Okay.
right?
yeah.
Karma
Nijanta. It's
Kadatu.
not Nijanta. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Not Nijanta. Prichati will become, if you are cast to ask, then maybe, but not here.
Okay.
Here just Trikarma Kadatu. So, Dugyadehe, Gaunam will be Dvitiya. Gaunam with Dvitiya or Pratama? Dugyadehe, Gaunam Pratama.
Patram only.
Yeah. So, Patikena Chatraha Margam Prichyate. Understand?
In a chart.
That is one we have to remember. Sometimes it doesn't come to mind immediately. In the Karma Kadatu, one remember other things will pull up. Dugyadi, I think Gaunam is Dugyade, yeah, Gaunam is Pratama. It's correct what he said. The Gauna Karma is Chatra. So Karmani Prayoga Chatraha it will be. Then Pradhanam will be Dvitiya. Pradhanam is Marga. Marga will be Dvitiya only. So therefore the sentence would be Patikena Chatraha Margam Prichyate. Okay. Vidyadehe Gaunam Pratama. That remember that. Karmani Prayoga. Okay. Interesting thing you asked now. What Prichidhatu is there? What is the Nijantarupam of Prichidhatu? Dhatu is Prich.
Pachyate.
Huh?
Pachyate. Sorry.
Dhatu is
Prachidhatu.
originally
Prachidhatu.
Prachdhatu. Prachdhatu. Not Prachdhatu. Prachdhatu. So Prach plus Nich.
Samprasaranam.
Samprasaranam. Prach plus Nich, some not Samprasaranam. Prach plus Nich, you get Prachi. Prachi, right?
Okay.
No, by Samprasaranam. Samprasaranam happens only for the Sarvadhatu Kalakara. Prachati. That is Samprasaranam only. From Prachi, you get Prachati. Now, causative form of Prachidhatu, Prach plus Nich.
Yes.
Prach plus Nich, no Samprasaranam. Prachi, Prache, Prachaya, Prachayati. In future tense, that is Rashya, Brasha, Sraja, Mirja, Yaja, Raja, Cham, by that. Praksh. Then you get Prakshyati. That's different. Prakshyami. Okay, understand? So here it is Prachayati. It is not Prachayati here. Therefore, don't worry. This is not Prayojya. Karta.
So Gaunam only we have to remember. Duhya Dehe Gaunam.
Dugya Dehe Gaunam Pratama. Gaunam is Pratama Vibhakti. That one you remember. If Gaunam is Pratama, Pradhanam will be Dvitiya. The same. That will be opposite for Nihrikshvaham. There Gaunam will be Dvitiya. Pradhanam will be Pratama. So Gaunam Pratama for Dugya Dehi. That you remember. Okay. Now next one. So this is all this by Akatitam cha. What sutra is?
On 450.
451.
1451. Akatitamsha. Under that only this Vikarmaka dhatus akatitamcha. Akatitam means avivakshitam. Avivakshita karakana karma sanya bhavati. Kartari prayogi anabhigitatvat. Anabhigitatvat udhiya. Okay. Balakaha shikshakat ganitam pruchati. Shikshakat. Same.
Shikam.
Apadana. Apadana avivikshayam karma sanya.
Shikshaka.
Anabhigite therefore vidya. So balakaha shikshakam ganitam pruchati. Karmani prayoge it will be
Balakena
shikshakaha gauna-karma pratama.
comes Prathama.
Shikshakaha ganitam.
Ganitam will be same only, no? That we
Ganitam will be ganitam. That is pradhana karma. Pradhana will be dvitiya only. Gaunam pratama, remember. Shikshakena, sorry, balakaha, balakena shikshakaha ganitam prichyate. Mata sasyebhyah pushpani avachinoti. This dhatu also is there. There or not?
it's there.
Shi dhatu also one of the
Vikam.
Vikarmaka dhatu. Avachinoti corrects. So sasyebhyah what vibhakti? Panchami only.
Panchami Bhakti Bahoj.
So akatitam cha. So apadana avivakshitam. Apadana avivakshit. Yadi apadanam avivakshitam bhavati, then karma sanyam praptoti karma katva dvitiya. That's what akatitam cha says. Avivakshitam apadanam, not only apadanam, avivakshitam any karaka. Avivakshita karakasya karma sanya. Avivakshita apadanasya karma sanya. So sasyebhyah will become mata.
Sasyani.
Sasyani.
Napumsakalinga. Okay.
Sasyam is napumsakalinga. Sasyani pushpani avachinoti. Right. The previous one also balakaha shikshakam ganitam pruchati. Okay, we didn't say that. Now mata sasyani pushpani avachinoti.
Matra should be, no? No.
That is karmani.
Okay.
In karmani prayaha. Karmani you can take it as homework. Try for all the sentences. Good exercise, huh? You want to do karma in the class itself, you can do. It's not a big thing.
So we will try, Ji, if doubts are there.
It's not a big thing. That also we can do if you want. Anyway. So here it's simple. Sasyani pushpani avachinoti mata. Otherwise matra avachiyate. Pradhana is, the gaunam is vigyadehe gaunam. Pratama. So sasyani pushpani. Both look same. Sasyani pratama vibhakti. Pushpani dvitiya vibhakti. Karmani prayoga. Okay.
Okay, Ji.
Anyway. Next one. Sadhu bhumehe palani chinoti. What is bhumehe ka vibhakti?
Adhikarana.
Pancham.
Adhikarana.
Bhumehe palani chinoti. Not adhikarana. From the Prithvi. From the Bhumi.
Panchami Bhakti.
Pada.
See, adhikarana will be bhumau or bhumyam. Shabda itself you take. Bhumi shabda. You decline.
Yeah.
Saptami will be bhumau or bhumyam, right?
Yes.
So bhumehe panchami. So what will be the akatitam cha by the sutra form should be?
Bhumim it should be. No, Bhumihi.
Bhumi.
Pratama.
Bhumihi or bhumim? No, not pratama.
Bhumim.
Omim.
Bhumim, dvitiya only. Sadhu bhumim palani chinoti. You are holding to karmani prayoga.
Okay.
Drop it. Just the same. Karmani prayoga is extra.
Okay.
Extra
That
exercise.
we will do homework.
Okay. That is extra exercise we did. Okay, we'll stop that. Okay.
Okay.
Then sadhu bhumim palani avachinoti. Achinoti. Uma anujaya katha madati. Anujaya
Chaturthi
Anujam.
vibhakti.
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi.
Uma
Chaturthi
Anujam
Pradhan.
katham vadati.
Anujam.
Anujam
Right.
katham.
Oh, it is Anujaya, no Sharanji. So Anuja,
Amma. Yes. Anujam. Right.
Anujam,
No.
Pullinga.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Oh,
Showing Yeah.
correct.
Yeah. Anujam. Not Anuj. Uma Anujam Katham Vadati. Yes. Not Anujaya. Anujaya only is there. Yes. So Sampradana Avivakshitam Karmakarakam Karma Sanya Bhavati.
So all these are Dvikarmaka
Uh,
dhatus only. Dukhyadehi only.
Yeah. Vadadatu is it there in the list?
Yes, it is there.
Bru is there. So
Yeah. Brew. Or you can bring the other dhatus having the same meaning.
The same meaning.
But
okay.
Vadadatu not there, I think. As such, Vadadatu not there.
Vadadatu is not there.
Only
Brew
brew
that. So for brew is there, therefore we can bring Vada
is
also.
even etad arthakanam vad vadati
Yes.
pash
Yes.
bhashate bhikshate also.
Yes. Other dhatus having the meaning of brew can be brought in. Shikshakaha chatrebhyaha vijnanam brute. Chatrebhyaha,
Chaturthi vibhakti only.
no,
No, Panchami.
Pancham.
Panchami. Chaturthi, how it will come, huh?
No, he teaches to children, no? From children, then Panchami means.
No, why you say Chaturthi?
Shikshakaha Chatraya
Chaturthi means Sampradana.
Sampradana.
Uh,
So he
yeah, possible. Why not? Yes, right. You're right. Chaturthi. Vijnanam, it is the science for the children. Yes. Sampradhanam. Sampradhanam is correct. Yes.
yeah.
Brute, he tells. Not he asks, he tells.
Yeah.
So therefore, Vijnanam, that is a karma. Karmana ema avipraiti saha sampradhanam. Therefore, chatra is sampradhanam is correct. Sampradhana sanya is it is. Akatitam cha sampradhana avivakshitam karma sanya bhavati. Therefore, shikshakaha chatran Vijnanam brute. Ravaranye yanam nayati. Nidatu now. Vikarmaka dhatu.
Yeah.
That also
is a-
Rama.
Yeah. It is also Duhyadehi. Come 12.
Yes, the last 4 dhatus. 12 plus 4. So, Nayati. Rama Aranyam Yanam
Nayati.
Maheshaha Ramayaha Margam Prichati. Ramayaha Panchami.
Panchami.
So,
So,
Apadana
Ramam Margam
Rama Margam. Nateshaha Patikaya Margam Brute. Patikaya Chaturthi Sampradana.
Patikam
Margam Brute. Nareshaha Grame Dvichakam Nayati.
Adhikaranam. So
Yeah, Adhikarana. We can check with our file the same, or these examples can be included there. I think Ni, Hri and all I have not given any special example. All I think ditto same example. I think we can have this example there. Balaha Vrikshebhyaha Palani Avachinoti. Vrikshebhyaha Vriksham Akatitam by that Vrikshebhyaha Panchami Apadana.
Vrikshan Phalani.
Yeah, Vrikshan. Bhagavachanam Vrikshan. Etesham Anijantana Yatkinchit Prayojaka Kartrapadam Yojayata. Nijantarupani Nikata. You can try Karmani Prayoga in your leisure. But we'll do only as it is here given. Maheshaha Gramam Gachati. What will be the Nijantarupam?
So one more karta we have to.
Yatkinchit Prayoja. Your choice. Prayojaka Karta, you Yatkinchit. Whatever you name you want to use, you can use. Kartrapadam, Prayoja Kartrapadam, Yojayata. Yojayitva, Nijantarupani Likata. Mageshah Gramam Gachati. Then Sureshah.
Sureshah Mahesham Gramam Gamayati.
Yes.
Gamayati.
Gamayati. By what sutra?
Gati
Gati Buddhi.
buddhi pratyavasanartha.
1452. By that, what takes Dvitiya?
Anikarta takes karma.
Anikarta is Maheshah. Maheshah, right? And the Grama is Dvitiya by?
Ipsitam.
Kartri.
Yes, that is Ipsitam Karma. So Sureshah Mahesham Gramam Gamayati.
Gamayati.
Balaha Shlokam Likati. No. Likati becomes Lekayati.
Lekayati.
Supply Adhyapaka, for example.
Adhyapakaha.
Mata.
Adhyapakaha balam.
Mata balakam shlokam lekhayati.
Yes. Karmani Priyaha, please try later, as I said. Rama Rotikam Bhunkte Bhakshanartaka. Then Mata, you can say Mata
Ramam
Bhojayati. Ramam Rotikam Bhojayati.
Bhojayati.
Uma Padyam Shrunoti. Shrunoti becomes
Shravayati.
Shravayati. Shrunoti, listen. Shravayati, cost to listen. Right? Here. Right? Shravayati.
Yeah.
Supply karta and then from the sentence.
Adhyapika umam padyam shravayati.
So, Adhyapika Umam Padyam Shravayati. Is Padyam
Shabda.
Shabda Karma. Shabda Karma ka dhatu. The Shru dhatu, is there any special rule Vartikam given? Just thinking. Shru dhatu, I don't think so. Just one minute. Not that, okay. Because Gra dhatu was there, not for Shru dhatu. Yeah, okay. No, this is Shabda Karma. You can take Shabda Karma. Balaha Uttishtati. Akarvaka dhatu. Uttapayati. I think we know how Uttapayati comes, right? We need to remember the Udasthastambho, that sutram also, Sandhi Sutra. Udasthastambho, by that, what happens? Sakara is replaced by Purva Savarna. Remember that?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
Sta dhatu plus Pukkagama, Akarana dhatu. Now Pare Pukk will come. So Stapi, Stape, Stapayati. Then Utpurvaka. Then Sandhi, that Udastha Karicha. After that, that Udastha Stambho by that sutra. Sakara will be replaced by the Purva Savarna. That Takara will come. And Takara also will go away by Jaro Jari Savarne. Optionally. Like therefore Uttapayati you get. Yeah. Jaro Jari Savarne. You can apply them. Yes. Okay, then Balaga Uttishtati. What will be the Acharyaha?
Balam uthapayati.
Balam, yeah, Uttapayati. Mata Balam Uttapayati. So here, Anikarta, but same 1452. I think the whole exercise is 10 examples only for that. Okay, Uma Pustakam Pashyati. And this would be Darshayati.
Rama umam pustakam darshayati.
So, Rama, Umam Pustakam darshayati. We have the sutram, Drishescha, Vartika, by that sutra. Because Drish Dhatu, where is there? It is not there, right? Gatyartaka. Gati Buddhi in that sutra not there. This is Vartika. Drishescha, Drish Dhatu also. Right? Then next one. Karyakramaha bhavati. Karyakramam bhavayati. So you have to supply some karta. Programmer,
Nayak.
Prabandhakaha, or Nayakaha, Karyakramam bhavayati. So this is Karmaka Dhatu. Chhatraha Padyam Smarati. Padyam Shabda Karma and Smrudhatu also is there. Smrudhatu, remember Smrudhatu and Gradhatu.
Yeah, it is 0.31. It is. It's
There it
optional.
says Dvitiya Vibhakti Na Bhavati. Example Devadattaha Smarati. See our example, there's table. Devadattaha Smarati Jigrati. Devadattena Smarayati Grapayati. Here it is not Dvitiya. Smru and Gra, which denote particular kinds of knowledge or perception, are not used with the accusative case. However, the accusative case is also used when it means to think of or remember with regret.
So there's no sutra for this, Smruvangara.
I don't find it is some Vartikam or somewhere, some Smrudhatu and Gradhatu. So you can note this also, Smru and Gradhatu. So this Dvitiya Vibhakti na bhavati. Here the example, Devadattaha Smarati. Remembers means remember some knowledge, something. Here in this example, Devadattaha Padyam Smarati. So remember knowledge, right?
Yeah.
And also, it's interesting. So should we take it as Shabda Karma or Smrudhatu is there? If it is Shabda Karma, then it will be Dvitiya Vibhakti. If we take it as some kind of knowledge or perception, then it is not Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Yeah, Padyam comes in that Shabda, no? Padya, Gadya, Shastra, Grantha and all. So we can take it as Shabda.
Shabda Karma. So Adhyapakaha Chatram Padyam Smarayati. You can do like that. Yes, Smarayati. Yes, possible. So here the situation is Padyam also is the Shabda Karma. And Smrudhatu very particularly given Smru and Gra when it denotes particular perception, knowledge, then Dvitiya Vibhakti is not used. Anyway, I think we can take Shabda Karma. I think that what will the answer? Answer is given at the end. We have to check that. We'll do it later. Fine. Uma Griham Gacchati. This is Gatyartaka. So Rama Umam Griham Gamayati. Rameshaha Adhyayanam Karoti. What dhatu?
Krudhatu.
Krudhatu.
So,
For
optional.
Krudhatu Vishaye,
Ramesh.
yeah, we have a choice. For Hrudhatu and Krudhatu, that's it. Anyatarasya is an optionality. So therefore,
Ramesham or Rameshena Karayati.
yeah.
Guruhu
So-
Ramesham Rameshena Adhyayanam Karayati.
Correct. Like the example, what is, yeah, Ramam, Ramaya was there before. Yeah.
Nityam
Adhyapika,
Karoti.
Ramama, Ramaya, Nityam Karayati. Same way. Then the next exercise. Vakyeshu vidyamanan doshan pariharata. So some mistake is there. See, interesting. Maheshah Girishaya Shlokam Patayati. What is the mistake here?
Girisham
Girisham
Shlokam is
should be
Shabda Karma. So Karma Girisham will come.
So Girisham. So Shlokam is Shabda Karma, therefore. And Patayati Buddhyarthaka Dhatu also, right? So anyway, Shlokam, Shabda Karma, you can take. Both are there. Girisham Shlokam Patayati. That is correct. Sameshaha Putram Annam Bhakshayati. Dosha Astiva.
So Bhakshadatu, Gati, Buddhi, in that it comes. So I think no.
Pratyavasanata Dhatu.
Yeah.
There is no dosha.
Yeah.
Is there any dosha? There is no dosha. But Bhakshadatu, when it will not take Dvitiya Bhakti, there is one rule we saw.
Ahimsartham. One mistake.
When it is in the sense of ahimsa, anikarta, bhakshehe ahimsa tasya pratishedaha vaktavyaha. You see, Dvitiya Bhakti na bhavati kintu tritiya. Anikarta for the dhatu, bhaksh in the sense of himsa will not take karma sanya. Devadattaha pindim bhakshayati. Bhakshyati or bhakshyati. Okay. Devadattena pindim.
Is Bhakshayati only, no, sir?
Here it will be Bhakshyati. Yes.
Kattari
Here
and
it is Bhakshyati.
Vijanta,
Here-
both are the same for Bhakshadatu. Bhakshayati,
Yeah. Because it is 10th conjugation. Both are same.
Radhigana. So, yeah.
Yes, 10th conjugation, therefore it is same. Devadattaha pindim bhakshayati. Devadattena pindim
Bhakshayati.
bhakshayati. Because here anikarma dhatu sense of will not take karma sanya. In the sense of ahimsa.
Ahimsa.
Whereas here Balivardhan, Saha Balivardhan, here Balivardhan, Yavan Bhakshayati. So here the eating of Yavan Bhakshayati. Eating of barley by the bulls causes pain to that person. Okay, this counter example, this is given in the Kashika. Eating of barley by the bulls causes mental pain to the person of the land. So therefore here Balivardha, who is Anikarta, will take Dvitiya Bhakti. Balivardhaha Yavan Bhakshayati. Yavan Bhakshayati. So then Balivardha eats barley. Then Anikarta, Anyantavastaya, then Bhakshayati. See, this Bhakshayati looks same. Huh? Saha, he causes the Balivardha to eat Yava. That causes pain to the owner of that land. So in that sense, Imsa is there. Therefore, Balivardha is in Dvitiya Bhakti. The Bhakshayati, 10th conjugation, form is same. In Nijanta, in normal also. That is why it's confusing. Balivardhaha Yavan Bhakshayati. Then Nijanta Rupam of that would be, Yantavastha would be, Bhakshayati becomes Bhakshayati.
Bhakshayati.
There, Saha Bhakshayati, someone. He causes the Balivardha to eat. Balivardhan Yavan Dakshayati. So that causes pain to the owner of the land. So Himsa is involved here. Therefore, Balivarda, that Anikarta is in Ditya Bhakti. Right? So here Himsa is there, therefore Ditya Bhakti. In the case of Ahimsa, then it will not take Karma Sanya. So now here, Himsa or Ahimsa. Rameshaha Putram Annam Bakshayati.
Ahimsa only.
Ahimsa.
So in the sense of Ahimsa, therefore,
Putrena.
Putrena Rameshaha Putrena Annam Bakshayati. Should be like that. Very simple.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Meaning correct. Rameshaha putrena annam bakshayati. Okay.
Hmm. Rameshaha Bakshayati. Ramesha causes annam to eat by the putra. Rameshaha putrena annam bakshayati. The paksh dhatu is a confusing dhatu because its form is same, no? Both in Nijanta and Nijanta Rupam. What is the Nijanta Rupam of Churadi, Churdhatu? Chorayati, right?
Correct.
Orayati.
What is the its Nijanta? It's same thing only.
Same. Okay.
Belonging to the same conjugation. Therefore, the form is same. That's why it's confusing. Uma Mitram. Now, Khad Dhatu. Uma Mitram Maduram Khadayati. Khad and Ad Dhatu. Both denies Karma Sanya for Anikarta, right?
Yeah. So Mitrena.
So therefore, Uma Mitram is wrong. Mitrena Maduram Khadayati. That's correct. Anikarta will not take Dvitiya. Shikshakaha Chatraya Kavitam Vachayati. Vachayati from the Vachdhatu. Bhakti. Second conjugation. Vach plus Nich will become Vachi, Vache, Vache, Vachayati. So Shikshakaha Chatraya, what means to speak?
It is in that 12, this thing, Duhyade.
No, it is not. 1452 is not applicable. It is not Gatyartaka or any. So only Tritiya it will take. It's not like that.
This Vachdhatu, it is in the Dugyadi, right? So the Karmaka Dhatu.
Vikarma.
No, sorry. Yeah, because it's Nijanta Rupam is, sorry. Dugyadi, we cannot take it. So Dugyadi is there, the Dhatu, that's on Nijanta there, okay?
For Nijanta only this
So
sutra
Nijanta only all these examples is given, yes.
is applicable.
Yes. So we are seeing 1452 only. So what is to speak? So Achayati, Kavitam Achayati. Therefore it is Shabda Karma. Karma is Kavita. Kavita is Shabda Karma, right?
Yeah.
It's a poem.
Yeah.
So therefore Vachayati, not Dugyadi. Don't confuse the Dugyadi.
Okay.
Dugyadi Ratoho Nijanta Prayaha, that we will see. It will be more confusing. In the next class we will see. But that is not here. Vachayati Shabda Karma. That is that Gati Buddhi, Gati Patyavasanata Shabda Karma. Therefore, Chatraya will become
Chatram will.
Chatram.
Chatram.
Shikshakaha Chatram Kavitam Vachayati. That's correct. You watch for the Kriya Padam. If it is Nijanta, then 1452 only. And then it doesn't come fit in that, then watch for the Karma. Shabda Karma is there. Karmaka also is there. Karmaka means where is Karma? That's not a problem at all. Yeah. Pita Putram Annam Khadayati. Here also.
Here also
Khadatu.
Ahimsa.
That is only for Bhaksha.
Oh, okay.
Adhan Khadatu, then Anikarta will take
It will not take karma. So
Karma. Tritiya.
Putrena.
Tritiya vibhakti.
Putrena.
Yes. So Pita Putrena Annam Kadayati. As we did Uma Mitrena Madhuram Kadayati. Same.
Mm.
Guruhu Shishyam Shlokartam. Shlokarta is
Shabda karma.
Shabda Karma. Same. Vachayati. So Guruhu Shishyam Shlokartam Vachayati. Uma Rameshaya Gadyam Patayati. Same. Uma Ramesham Gadyam Patayati. Nateshaha Yanam Jalam Vagayati. Vagdatu. Vagdatu also Nibakyoho Na Visa. Nidatu Vagdatu. That is the meaning of carrying, right?
Yes.
They will not govern Dvitiya Vibhakti. Karma Sangyana Bhavati. Any Kartuhu Karma Sangyana Bhavati. So here Vagayati is what Vagayati? Jalam Vagayati.
Jalam vahai.
So therefore, what will be the right one? Nateshaha Yanena.
Yanena jalam va.
Yanena Jalam Vagayati. Not Yanam Jalam Vagayati. It is wrong. Yanena Jalam Vagayati. It will not take Karma Sanya by 1452. So Vartika to it. Okay. Then Swami Brityam Bharam Nayayati. Che Nidatu. Brityena
Trityena.
Bharam Nayayati. Last one, Adidatu. Right? Adidatu, Adayati. Adidatu, Kadatu, both will not allow Anikarta to be in karma. So Vaidyaha
Rugnena.
Rugnena Oshadam Adayati. You can check for the answer, which is, I think, is given in the end.
Shlokartham, I think that Shloka is Shabda karma, but Shlokartham is also comes under that, Sharanji. Shishyam they have given, that should be a dosha, no? In this sentence, Shishyam is there already. So it should be Shishyena or like that. But
Some correction must be there.
correction
No.
must be there, no? It's not
Why
like
correction?
that.
No,
The sentence
dosha and
is
parigati. If dosha is there, remove it. Dosha is not there, leave it. But now, at this point, shlokartham, the meaning of the shloka, that is Shabda Karma only.
but in the answer it is given Shishyena. So I thought
Given
they have
Shishyena.
taken Vachidata. They have taken Vachidatu and it doesn't fit in this sutra. So they have.
Okay. So Vachidatu is not there in Gati Buddhi. Vach to speak. So Shlokartham Vachayati is Gatyartaka we have to, Buddhyartaka we have to take. Not Shabda Karma, you are right. But it is Buddhyartaka, Yanataka Dhatu, right? Shlokartham Vachayati. So if you take Jnanarthaka Dhatu, then Shishyam only, how Shishyena?
Yeah, the answer they have.
Guruhu Shishyena means then Anikarta not taking karma. Is it any exception? I think Vachidatu, we have not seen any exceptions like that. One minute, let me check. Abhi Dhatu is there, but Vachidatu. Even here itself before. Which is not covered here, suppose if it is given. Which this only for Nirmati Dhapayatya, remember. Then what is that? गत्यर्थकधातूनां निबद्धधातु विहाय ज्ञानार्थकधातूनाम् अदकात् प्रक्षेतान् धातुं विहाय शब्दकर्मणां श्लोकः गद्यम् इत्यादि शब्दसमूहः ईदृशशब्दः येषां धातूनां What about the other answers? Others are correct.
Sir, I think others are correct. I had a doubt in this sentence, so I checked with the.
Okay. Guruhu vachayati. Shlokartam vachayati. Shishyena. Guruhu Shishyena Shlokartam vachayati. So it means it is not by 1,452, right? So, but there is no Vartika, something which prevents this happening. What about the fourth one? Shikshakaha?
That is correct.
Chatram, Kavitam vachayati. Okay. So there it is Shabda Karma. Here it is not Shabda Karma. Because it is not Shabda Karma, therefore only Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay. Yes. Okay. That's correct only. So Guru, because therefore Shlokartham is not Shabda Karma. That's we need to note. Yes. I thought that will be Shabda Karma. Shloka is Shabda Karma, but not Shlokartham. Meaning of the Shloka.
I think
that means when you're referring to the group of
in Nijanda Dhadavaha, there is an example. You said that it's Jnanartham when you took class. I think.
Correct. Jnana is different, Jnanartha is different. Like that, you told us once. Same way, Shloka and Shlokartha, some.
And Nijanda Dhadavaha, there is a Guru Chatram Shlokartham Avagamayadi.
Okay. So, Shlokartham, it's not Shabda Karma, right?
Yes.
That's what you're saying, right?
Yeah.
So, therefore, this doesn't come under 1,452. Therefore, Shishya, the Anikarta, will take Karta Karmanayos Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay. So, Shabda Karma means it should referring to the group of words or vakyas or sentences, not the meaning of the shloka. Okay. Therefore, Guruhu Shishyena Shlokartham Vachayati. That is correct. Karta Karmanayos Tritiya. Right. Okay. Good note this. You need to remember all this. You try the same thing for Karmani Praha. I also will do. We'll see. Okay, we'll stop here. 112.5 we have to see. We'll see in the next class.
2-3 doubts here in the G.
What file?
Our this thing was there, no? A PDF file about this.
The what file?
Here only. 47th is it Taya or Tvaya? I'm doubt.
47. Okay. Where is it? Yeah. Is it Taya? This is taken from somewhere. Some quote.
Okay.
UXL is there, so we thought it.
U is there.
But UXL Ati Sheshe, that is you. Ati Sheshe, Tvam Ati Sheshe. This is Madhyama Purusha Atmanipadi.
Okay.
Therefore, you excel your ancestors by that, in that meaning, Taya.
Okay. And then Dhamna, meaning of Dhamna.
Dhamna atishayeti Dhamma Sahasranamnaha. Dhamna is Dhamman means above.
Tritiya vibhakti, it should be, no? Dhamna. By him.
Tritiya vibhakti. So when atishayeti, there is it's a meaning of excelling. So excelling by what? So therefore Dhamna. Again, this is taken from some kavya. Dhamna atishayeti. He excels by maybe Dhaman. Dhaman is about our place, I think.
Okay.
Therefore, Sahasranamnaha Dhama. Anyway, the focus is only on Atishayeti. Okay, therefore, by what Atishayeti, if you see, then it is Dhamna. I'll still check the meaning and tell you. To check the meaning in the Kale book. Take it from the Kale, I think. Yes.
Oh, okay.
There are other examples, simple Lokika examples not given. So yes, the entire, all the, the usages are not covered in the sutra format. Some of them are known only from the usage.
Yeah.
That's like we have to analyze whenever we come across why this is used. Is this as per sutra or is it usage? And when he studies kavya, etc., we will come to know the usage. We cannot fit into with any sutra. Where is all these are which sutra? Excelling, resemblance, likeness, not that. But Kale has helped us by giving all these meanings. Okay. I thought we also will do it.
Yes.
Then?
That's it.
Okay. I think we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha ji.
ధన్యవాదాలు శరణ్ జీ.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు.